What's up, exhaust addicts? I just want to let you guys know that we are located at Discount Muffler and Custom Exhaust, 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. You can give us a call anytime at 615-612-6244. Our hours of operation are 8:30 to 4:30, Monday through Friday, Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, 2020 Jaguar F-Type all-wheel drive. Look at this thing. Absolutely Jaguarific. Got some carbon fiber stripes all over it, blue. I like the Jaguar emblem on it. Check it out again. It is an S-Type, all-wheel drive. What we got done on her. Still got the factory converter there. Then pipes. Then what we did is put an X pipe instead of the Resonator, as you guys can see there, nice and clean. Then we left everything else stock, 2 1/4 piping out the back. It's got a valve muffler system and this gigantic muffler that goes right there, as you guys can see. Look at that there. And then we'll show you the tips out the back right there. There it is, nice clean. There's the baby Resonator that we took off. You just wanted a little bit more sound, so we're like, we got you. And with the valves, it opens and closes more and lets you guys hear it more. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Like always, guys, you know what to do. Subscribe. All right, guys, look, round 2 on this beautiful Jaguar F-Type Type S. I like the logo of Jaguar always. It's so sexy. Ready for anything. It's ready to pounce. Anyways, here it is. So what we did on this one is something special, guys. Really, really special. Factory converter. Then you guys saw the first edition of it where we did an X pipe. So we took the baby Resonator and put an X pipe and gave it a little bit more barble, but it wasn't loud enough. So we did some more digging. And like a kit for this thing is about $4 grand. We're like, we can do a lot better than that here at Exhaust Addicts. So we looked up these things. It's a straight pipe in the middle with a valve, and then 2 mufflers come on the side. Look at that. They're made by P-Storm right there, as you guys can see. Here's the part number on them right there. So they're P-Storm mufflers, 2 of them valve mufflers. When this valve opens on each side, it becomes straight pipe. When they close, it goes through the muffler from here, in here, goes back out and out the back. And then we got 2 sexy carbon fiber tips, as you guys can see right there and right there. Gold inlay. Here's the part number on them right there. There'll be a link in the description for them, and there'll be a link in the description for the X pipe. Came out really clean, really nice. Look at that. Custom to the max. Took us some time to do it, but well worth it. The other nice thing is these Jaguars already come with a vacuum system on the original muffler. So we just tied right into it. You see it right there? Tie right into it, into the valve right there. And then the same thing on this side. We tied right into it, into the valve right there. So they open and close like it's factory, which is really cool. And there's the valves on it right there on the Jag, right there. And right there, that's the ones we cut off. And that's the gigantic muffler that's on it. Hopefully I'll find you guys a picture of what this muffler looks like on the inside. It's crazy design. There's the old muffler, and that's the sexy new look. Look at that, just absolutely magnificent. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So we're gonna put it in sport mode, race mode, to make it sound phenomenal. It opens up the valves for you guys. So do it with it closed for now. Go ahead. Is it different? That's with it closed. Oh, big difference. That's with it open. Again. Sound decibels. Again. 105, close it. Here's it with it closed. Go ahead. Right at 96, 95. Wow. I like it with it open. It sounds a lot better. It sounds like what this car is supposed to sound like, you know? Go and back it out. With it closed. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105. 105
It's a cool looking car. I like it. Jaguar F-Type. Only 25,000 miles on this sucker. You cannot beat it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Here's the valves inside of it, guys. Look, you can see them. There's the muffler. You can see the valves are closed right now. And this, I swear, this construction guy is just like competing with me. Every time I do a video, he starts digging more and more. He hasn't stopped yet. They've been blowing up everything. Look, that's all used to be flat. They blew it all up, and now they're digging more to blow up more. Stop it! Here we go. It opened up. You hear them opening up? They close back up. What do you think? Yes? Oh yeah. You like it? Oh yeah. Again? See if the valve's open when you give it gas. See how cool that is, guys? When it opens, when it revs on it, it opens up. That is so cool that it opens up inside your Revving. Oh, that's awesome. Your sound decibels, rev it gently. So when it opens up, it's 111. Step on it. 113. But when he revs it gently, 84, 85. Dude, that is so perfect. Go ahead, rev it hard. Wow. That is sick, dude. Oh, that's awesome. Perfect. That's a $7,000 system for less than what do we spend? So we
What? I think they were what, 350
Yeah,
for the two? And then
so it was 350 and then the
X-Pipe.
labor
Yeah.
and the X-Pipe,
Yeah.
of course. Yeah. So under, we'll say like
I think
under
12,
50, yeah, under
100
12,
all in all,
yeah.
For 13 or something all.
In parts, probably 400 parts.
4 or 5 around.
Yeah, oh, with how much were the tips?
The tips were like 150.
So 150, and then those were 350. That's 5. Yeah, and then the X-Pipe. Yeah, about 600 in parts. That's not bad at all.
Oh god.
What's the system? A valve system cost online for
It was
these?
like the full
Yeah,
straight back through is like 9 grand.
9 grand.
10
We
grand.
just did a 9 grand system for less than, we'll say, $1,500 all in. That's insane, dude. And he still got everything, the valves and everything. Hold on. So much better than this system. Just clean too. And it uses the same vacuum and everything, guys, so you don't have to swap anything. That's cool. I'll let you guys hear on the inside. F-Type all-wheel drive with a crazy stripes. Very nice. First one on the channel. We'll be getting more and more different beautiful cars on the channel soon for you guys. Did a Resonator delete. Look at it, it's so cute. Oh yeah, beast mode. Oh, you can hear it now, it's popping. Enjoy, guys. Jaguar F-Type. Type S. Here we go. Oh, he added more carbon fiber on it. Look, you see the carbon fiber there. So that's cool. It matches the tips nicely. Look at that helicopter. Whoa. What are they doing? Skylight. Here we go. Get ready, guys. Wow. Listen to that thing. Hear that marble. Wow. Enjoy, guys.